Guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch the light bulb behind the AC panel. Usually when you turn on the ignition at nighttime, you can see these lights turn on, and when they don't, it probably means that the light bulb should be put out of its misery and be replaced. So what you want to do is you want to concentrate on this white panel first before you take this out. I'm going to show you. First of all, you want to wrap your fingers like this in such manner behind. Your other hand should focus on the top area, like this. You want to put both fingers, both hands, in this area, and you just have to put some downforce. It may come out as a bit flimsy, then boom, it just pops out like this. Fantastic. So now the next step, you just have to pull this out a bit. When it comes out as jiggleish, just have to jiggle it a bit, and then you have to just take this out. I'm just gonna put it right there. Now you have to focus on this little tiny bastard. The thing is, don't use your fingers. It's not gonna help. I've tried it, trust me. You just want to use some isolation band. I already have a piece prepared for this. You just wrap this around the light bulb so it holds on tight. When it's sealed properly, you just make sure with your fingers. Okay, now what you want to do is hold on to this end, and you just want to pull carefully like this. Come on baby. Boom, come on. Yeah, we got him. It's a boy. Okay, so the next step, you want to get a new pack of these, and this is the new light bulb which I bought. And what you want to do is you just want to pop this inside very carefully. Okay, fantastic. And the next step is just make sure you don't leave any smudges. You don't want this to be too greasy from the fat, from the residue that's left on your fingers. You just make sure to rub that thing a little bit. Take this AC panel and you just pop it back inside like this. Thank you for watching.